Hello. So in this video, we are going to study how to simplify equations with brackets. So in the previous video, we have discussed how to simplify simple equations. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you can watch that video also by the card here. Okay, so let's go to the video. And here, first of all, I will tell you how to simplify brackets. Okay, so simplification of brackets is really easy. What you have to do is you have to multiply the things in the bracket, things inside the bracket by the number or the unknown term in the outside of the bracket. So 5 times x, that is 5x, and 5 times 3, that is 15. So the symbol here is, now I am going to explain how to put the symbols. Let's take another color. So 5 and x both are positive, no? So when we multiply positive number by another positive number, the answer is also positive. So here it is positive. And 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is 15, no? 5 is again positive, 3 is positive, so the answer is positive. This is it. So I will tell you a negative value also. 2 times 5x minus 3. Okay. So 2 times 5x, that is 10x. 2 times 3, that is 6. Now we are going to find the symbols. Okay. 2 and 5x both are positive, no? Okay. So positive multiplied together, the answer is positive. So this one is positive. And here 2 is positive but 3 is negative. That means positive number has to be multiplied by negative number. Positive negative multiplied mean the answer must be negative. So the 6 is negative. That is how to simplify brackets. Okay, so this positive and negative number simplifications is done in directed numbers lesson. We will quickly do a separate video for directed numbers also. Okay. So our first question of the video, that is 2 times x plus 2 equal 10. Now I am going to simplify this equation with brackets. What we have to do first is removing the brackets. 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 2, 4. These both are positive, equals 10. Now this is the same equation which we have discussed in the previous video. That is simple equation simplification, that's it. Okay, so what I have to do here is I have to take all the numbers to one side and all the unknown terms to the other side. So 2x here, I will carry 4 to the other side. That means 10 minus 4, because when you are switching the sides, the positive one becomes negative. 2x equal 10 minus 4 means 6. Divide both the sides by 2. 2 and 2 are cancelling out. X equals 3. That's it. X equals 3. We will move to the next question, which is 3. 4 minus x equals 6. What I have to do first is, again, removing the brackets. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times minus x, negative 3x, equals 6. Okay. Now, x terms in one side, numbers in another side. Here, the 3x is negative. So, usually we don't keep x value or unknown term negative because it is unwanted hassle. So I will carry this 3x to the other side and x to the left hand side. That means 12 minus 6 equals 3x. Here 3x is negative. When I carry that one to the right hand side, it will become positive. Okay. So 12 minus 6. The answer is 6 equal 3x. I'm going to divide both the sides by 3. And x equals 2. That's it. X equals 2. So our next question is 6. 3x plus 5 equals 12. Again removing brackets. 6 times 3x means 6 times 3, 18x plus 6 times 5 means 30 equals 12. I will carry this 30 to the other side. 18x equal 12 minus 30. Okay. 12 minus 30. I have to subtract two numbers. Don't think about the symbol. Just subtract the two numbers. That means 30 minus 12 we can do. When 30 minus 12, the answer is 18. No? Then put the symbol of the larger value. The larger value is 30. The symbol of 30 is negative. Yes, that's it. So 18x equal 18. I will divide both the sides by 18. Cancelling out 18 and 18. X equals negative 1. X equals negative 1. That's it. And the next question. 3 times 1 minus 4x equals 11. Okay. So removing brackets. 3 times 1, 3 minus 3 times 4x, 12x equal 11. Okay. So I will carry 12x to the other side because that is negative. 3 minus 11 here equal equal 12x. 3 minus 11 again negative and positive ne. Hare. Just subtract 3 from 11. Okay. So 3 subtracted from 11 means 8 equal 12x. Here the symbol of the larger value. What is it? Yes, negative. Divide both the sides by 12. 12 and 12 are cancelling out. X equal 8 divided by 12. We cannot divide 8 by 12. No. I will do just like this. I will cut both sides by 4. 4 times 2. 4 times 3. If I take a fractional answer, this is the answer. This is the simplest fractional answer. If I do this one as a decimal value, 2 over 3. Negative 0. For 20, how many 3's are there? 6, 6. This is recurring. So this is the decimal wise answer. Our next question. 2 times x plus 4 equals 3 times 2x plus 1. In this question, both the sides of the equation, we have brackets. The same thing we have to do. What we have to do is remove the brackets. Okay. So 2 times x, 2x plus 2 times 4, 8 equal 3 times 2x, 6x plus 3 times 1, that is 3. All the x in the one side. Here 6x minus 2x. Here we have 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 means what is the answer? 5. 6 minus 2x answer? 4x. Okay. So divide both the sides by 4. 4 and 4 are cancelling out. X equal 5 over 4 as a mixed number. 1 over 4. Or else as a fraction, as a fraction 1 point something, right? Okay. 1 point, for 10, how many 4s are there? 2, 5. 1.25. That's it. So the next question, 5, 3 minus 2x equal 3, 4 minus 3x. Okay, the same equation like the before one. 5 times 3, 15 minus 10x equal 12 minus 9x. All the x in one side. Here I will carry this negative 10x to the other side because then it will become positive, no? And here 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 means what is the answer? Yes, that is 3. Negative 9x, positive 10x. 10 minus 9. What is the answer? 1. So I will keep that one as x. So, what is the symbol of the larger number? Larger number is 10, right? What is the symbol of 10? Positive. So that's it. This is the answer. So the last question we are going to discuss for this video. This is it. Very easy. For 3x plus 2 equals 28. Remove in brackets 4 times 3, 12x plus 4 times 2, 8 equals 28. I will carry 8 to the other side. 12x equals 28 minus 8. Okay, 28 minus 8 means, yes, that is 20. 12x equals 20. I will divide both the sides by 12. Then 12 and 12 are cancelling out. Only x is remaining. So I will cut both the sides by 4. Okay. 4 times 3. 4 times 5. 5 over 3 as a mixed number. 1, 2 over 3. As a fraction. 1 point for 20. 6, 6. This is recurring. That's it. Very easy, no? So, in this video, we have discussed simplification of equations with brackets. Okay. So, in the video before this one, we have discussed how to simplify equations in very simple form. And in the next video, we are going to discuss about fractional equations. We are going to discuss about fractional equations. So, let's meet soon. Bye.